A way that I could sufficiently and humbly welcome you and introduce you to this great crowd would be to say that on behalf of everybody who's here today, I thank you, sir, for everything you did for this country, for the aerospace industry, for your character, for your friendship. You've touched many, many lives. And unlike me, who that day in the car in Wisconsin in the late 60s decided to join the Navy because you wouldn't shake my hand, I'm sure there's a lot of pilots who come up to you to this very day and say, Bob Hoover, because of you, I do what I do, and I fly. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Bob Hoover.
I need to ask anyone that's parked on the flight line where the T6s are going to fly in as part of